Yo, passion seekers! Welcome to English by Movie. Master English with heart and joyful moments. Let's roll.
Samu. You helped me, thank you. And you did too. You saved my life out there.
You're alive. That is what matters.
You helped me, thank you.
Helped me. Helped me is a simple yet powerful way to express gratitude for assistance. In this context, it carries deep emotional weight due to the life or death situation. For advanced learners, note how context elevates basic phrases. You helped me when I was struggling with my homework. It shows appreciation for support in a challenging moment.
You saved my life out there.
Saved my life. Saved my life is an expression of extreme gratitude, often used literally in dangerous situations. It's a strong way to acknowledge someone's critical help. You saved my life by pulling me out of the way of that car. It describes a literal act of rescuing someone from death.
You're alive. That is what matters.
What matters? What matters is a collocation used to emphasize the most important aspect of a situation. It's a concise way to focus on priorities, especially in emotional contexts. You passed the exam, that is what matters. It highlights the key positive outcome despite other issues.
Mister, please! Listen, I'm so sorry. I swear I'll pay what I owe. I'll do it. I'll pay it all. Please, sir. Mister, please! Listen, I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry is a heartfelt apology, often used in desperate situations to seek forgiveness or leniency. The intensifier so adds emotional depth. I'm so sorry for missing your birthday party. It conveys deep regret for a personal failing.
I'm so sorry. I swear I'll pay what I owe.
I swear. I swear is an idiom used to emphasize the truthfulness or seriousness of a promise. It's often employed in desperate pleas to convince someone of one's sincerity. I swear I'll never be late again. It strengthens a commitment to change behavior.
I'll pay what I owe. I'll do it. I'll pay it all. Please, sir.
Pay it all. Pay it all means to settle the entire debt or obligation. It's a direct expression of commitment to fulfill a financial responsibility. I'll pay it all by the end of the month. It promises complete repayment within a time frame.
We play some kids games. And you shoot us. You want me to choose that? That's some chance.
We may be in debt, sir, but that doesn't justify killing us.
And you shoot us. You want me to choose that?
Shoot us. Shoot us is used sarcastically to highlight the absurdity of the situation. It mocks the idea of choosing a deadly game as a solution to debt. Oh, sure, let's just jump off a cliff to solve our problems. It sarcastically dismisses a ridiculous suggestion.
To choose that? That's some chance.
We may be in debt, sir.
Some chance. Some chance is an ironic idiom meaning a very poor or unlikely opportunity. It expresses skepticism about the supposed chance being offered. Winning the lottery? That's some chance. It sarcastically comments on the slim odds of success.
That's some chance.
We may be in debt, sir.
Maybe. Maybe is used here to acknowledge a fact while preparing to counter it. It's a rhetorical device to set up an argument by conceding a point. We may be tired, but we can't give up now. It admits a challenge before asserting determination.
They were simply eliminated for breaking the rules of the game. If you just follow the rules, you can leave this place safely with the prize money we promised.
Just keep your damn money. I don't care. Let me just go home. That's all I want.
They were simply eliminated for breaking the rules of the game.
Breaking the rules. Breaking the rules means violating established guidelines or laws. In this context, it leads to severe consequences, highlighting the importance of compliance. He was disqualified for breaking the rules. It explains the reason for a penalty in a competition.
Prize money we promised.
Just keep your damn money. I don't care.
Damn money. Damn money uses damn as an intensifier to express frustration or contempt. It's informal and emotional, common in heated exchanges. I don't want your damn help. It rejects assistance with strong emotion.
Let me just go home. That's all I want.
Just go home. Just go home is a plea for simplicity and relief. The word just minimizes the request, making it sound reasonable and desperate. I just want to go home and sleep. It expresses a strong desire for rest and comfort.
Keep putting up with this insanity!
So what if we leave? Tell me, what changes? Just as bad out there as it is in here, goddammit.
She's right. If we stop right now, that only helps the ones who are dead.
Can't keep putting up with this insanity!
So what if we leave?
So what? So what is a rhetorical question dismissing the importance of an action. It challenges the value of leaving, reflecting hopelessness. So what if I fail? I'll try again. It downplays failure to emphasize resilience.
Changes. Just as bad out there as it is in here, goddammit.
God damn it. God damn it is a strong exclamation of frustration or anger. It's informal and emotional, often used in moments of despair. God damn it, I lost my keys again. It vents frustration over a repeated mistake.
If we stop right now, that only helps the ones who are dead.
Stop right now. Stop right now is an urgent command to cease action immediately. It conveys the high stakes of the decision to continue or quit. Stop right now before you make a mistake. It warns against proceeding with a potentially bad choice.
What is that?
I just helped you. What the hell?
Now, aren't you a little old to be this clueless? I help untie you, then you're just gonna hassle me for your cash again.
Of course I'm gonna hassle you!
Yeah, why's that?
I just helped you. What the hell?
What the hell? What the hell is an exclamation of shock, confusion, or disbelief. It's informal and versatile, fitting many emotional contexts. What the hell is going on here? It demands an explanation for a surprising situation.
Now, aren't you a little old to be this clueless?
A little old. A little old is an idiom suggesting someone should know better due to age or experience. It's often used sarcastically to point out naivety. Aren't you a little old to believe in fairy tales? It teases someone for holding childish beliefs.
Me for your cash again.
Of course I'm gonna hassle you!
Of course. Of course is used here to sarcastically confirm an obvious or inevitable action. It adds a tone of resignation or defiance. Of course, I'll help you move again. It agrees to help but implies reluctance or repetition.
Hope you learned something cool today with English by Movie. Hit like, subscribe for more, and let's chat in the comments. Don't miss what's coming next. Bye for now.